Welcome to Kiss and Kids!
Hello, baby. It is a bright morning. The sun is up. Baby opens eyes and smiles. Baby looks around and says, Mama. Mama comes close. Mama hugs the baby. Baby looks again and says, Dada. Dada waves and says, hello. Baby waves too and says, hello. Hello, hello. Now baby feels hungry. Baby touches tummy and says, hungry. Mama brings food. Baby sees the bowl and says, food. Yum, yum. Baby takes a bite and says, eat. Eat, eat, eat. Good job, baby. After eating, baby feels full. Baby feels calm. Baby rubs eyes and says, sleep. Mama takes baby to the bed. The bed is soft. Baby says, home. Baby sleeps. Sleep, sleep. After some time, baby wakes up. Baby feels fresh. Baby wants to play. Baby says, go. Mama opens the door. Baby moves forward and says, go. Mama calls softly, come here. Baby turns and says, come. Oh, baby feels a little tired. Baby makes a small face and says, sick. Mama hugs the baby. Mama kisses the baby. Baby feels better. Baby smiles again. Mama asks, do you want more food? Baby nods and says, yes. All done for today. Baby claps hands. Baby waves and says, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Mama. Bye-bye, Dada. Good job, baby. You are learning your first easy words.
Thanks for watching Kiss and Kids. See you next time!